A true mountain specialist, the bighorn sheep boasts an array of adaptations that see it prosper where few others dare to tread. Native to North America, bighorn sheep make their home on the steep, uneven mountainsides, avoiding predators by occupying a range that most creatures find difficult or impossible to negotiate. Feeding in alpine meadows, they fearlessly take on rugged cliff faces and treacherous gravelly slopes with remarkable sure-footedness. Related to mountain goats, bighorn sheep display many shared adaptations for their mountain-faring lifestyle. Split hooves conform to hug uneven surfaces, while rough hoof bottoms provide natural grip. Keen vision aids in navigating precarious passages, and uncanny balance allows the sheep to stand on rock ledges just a few centimeters wide. Capable of jumping 6 meters, bighorns can scale uphill or descend steep stretches at unmatched speeds. So innate are the bighorn's climbing skills that within a day of birth, newborns can keep pace with the herd. Feeding on seasonally available forage, during the warmer months bighorns favor grasses, while cold winters will see them switch to more woody plant life. For the desert-dwelling bighorns, cactus varieties provide an abundant food source year-round. The distinctive curved horns of the males can weigh up to 14 kilograms, as much as the rest of the bones in their entire body. Head-butting competitions are a means of establishing dominance within the herd and securing mating rights during breeding season. Lunging into the clashes, the crack of horns can be heard throughout the mountains, with some fights lasting for hours. While resistant to the cold, bighorns are not able to travel through deep snow, and during winter, they move to the lower regions of the mountains, favoring slopes with limited snow buildup. A versatile species, bighorns have also adapted to survive in the mountains of the desert. Scaling the red rock promontories, they are found at elevations of 1,200 meters. In this climate, the sheep have evolved to withstanding scorching temperatures and are able to attain most of their water from the plants they eat. With a population believed to have once been over 2 million, by the early 20th century, hunting and introduced diseases from domestic livestock had reduced bighorn numbers to just several thousand. But the bighorn is a conservation success story, with hunting restrictions, game reserves, and reintroduction programs increasing numbers and saving the species from falling over the precipice. A creature of many names, the puma, also commonly known as the cougar, is highly attuned to prowling the mountain ranges and ambushing unwary prey. Occupying the largest range of any wild animal in the Americas, the puma has come to be known by more names than any other creature in the natural world. Proving adaptable to almost every type of habitat they encounter, as their mountain lion moniker suggests, it is the mountains where they are most at home. Like most felines, pumas are solitary creatures. Establishing individual territories, they prefer regions with dense vegetation or rocky cover to launch ambush attacks, utilizing their enlarged, retractable clawed front paws to clutch their prey. With proportionally the largest hind legs of the cat family, the puma is granted enhanced climbing and sprinting ability and can leap easily over challenging mountain terrain. More active at night and around dawn or dusk, pumas spend the majority of daylight hours at rest. Those that are spotted during the day are more likely young males who can roam vast distances as they seek out a suitable range away from the established territory of dominant males. These searching journeys can even see the cats crossing substantial bodies of water, albeit reluctantly. Active year-round, pumas are generalist predators and will eat any animal they can catch, from small insects to large game. Capable of dragging prey several times their own weight, pumas maximize their feeding by hiding their kills from other mountain carnivores, returning to eat over a period of days. Unlike many carnivores, pumas are unlikely to engage in scavenging behavior, rarely consuming prey they have not killed themselves. Parenting is solely the domain of female pumas, and they are noted for their fiercely protective behavior around their cubs. Born with spots, the cubs will remain reliant on their mother for around 2 years, learning how to stalk and hunt before striking out on their own. A mysterious animal, puma numbers are subject to speculation. But although persecuted as a pest species in parts of their range, their wide distribution across the Americas and ability to adapt to various habitats are positive factors in their favor. Spectacular geological features in their own right, mountains are home to a diversity of wildlife. And in this episode, we have seen the mighty bear, the roving elk, resourceful marmots, sure-footed bighorn sheep, and sly pumas. Playing a crucial role in determining the weather patterns and climate of their surrounding lands, some mountains are continuing to rise, while other ranges are slowly shrinking, weathered away by wind and water. Historically protected by their inaccessibility, mountains today are increasingly exploited for their resources through logging and mining. Preserving these magnificent landscapes is an ongoing effort, and one that is vital to the life they contain and the surrounding life that they influence.